In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video brightness in CapCut PC. If your footage looks a little too dark or washed out, a quick brightness and contrast tweak can make it look clear, vibrant, and professional without overcomplicating your edit. Once you're in the editing workspace, look to the top right panel and click on the Adjustment tab. This is where CapCut groups the essential image controls. Underneath it, make sure you're on Basic. If you don't immediately see the control you need, simply scroll down until you find the brightness slider. Brightness affects the overall lightness of your image. Think of it as lifting or lowering the entire scene at once. Now, gently drag the brightness slider to the right to light up your scene. You'll see the change update in real time, so move slowly and watch the preview as you go. Aim for a natural look. Faces should feel well lit, shadows should open up a bit, and details in the midtones should become easier to read. If you push brightness too far, the image can start to look hazy or milky, and highlights like skies or bright clothing may lose detail. The sweet spot is where the scene looks more open and inviting, but still grounded. After brightening, you might notice the picture looks a little flat, as if everything is the same tone. That's normal. To bring back separation and punch, nudge the contrast slider up just a bit. Contrast increases the difference between darks and lights, which helps text pop and colors look crisp and vivid. Make small moves here, just enough to restore depth without crushing the shadows or blowing out the highlights. If things start to look harsh or overly punchy, ease it back. A helpful mindset is to make adjustments with intention and restraint. Small, precise changes often look more polished than dramatic swings. Watch edges, skin tones, and any on-screen text as you refine the sliders. When they look natural and readable, you're right where you need to be. And remember, you can always fine-tune. CapCut lets you see the results instantly, so trust what you're seeing in the preview. That's it. Open the Adjustment tab, stay on Basic, raise brightness to taste, and, if the image flattens, lift. Contrast slightly to bring the life back. Clear, bright, and professional visuals in seconds. You're all set. Done.